How to get league medals in Clash of Clans. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and type COC. Now click on search and tap on Clash of Clans. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on play and wait for the game to load. Now give the permissions. Now when you go to shop, now tap on League Medals. As you can see, you can buy different items with League Medals on Clash of Clans. To get League Medals, tap on the cross icon. Now tap on the event page icon next to the shield icon at the bottom left corner. Now scroll down. Now here you can find Clan War Leagues. You need to participate in Clan War Leagues to get League Medals. Simply request the clan leader or co-leader to include you in the Clan War Leagues. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.